AREIT just shared its latest financial report for 2023. Now I'm excited to share the review and analysis that I did for AREIT. We will look at AREIT's past and latest performance as well as what is expected for its future growth para malaman natin if AREIT is indeed a promising investment opportunity. AREIT is the first REIT that was launched in the Philippines noong 2020. AREIT has a market cap of 69.28 billion pesos. AREIT has a diversified portfolio of offices, malls, hotels, and industrial land. This reduces concentration risk in any one particular asset class. AREIT's sponsor is Ayala Land Incorporated, the country's leading office developer in the Philippines. Ayala Land has 1.2 million square meters of total office space. By investing in AREIT, you will have the opportunity to earn from real estate. Ito naman ang property portfolio ng AREIT. AREIT's property portfolio consists of the following Grade A office buildings located in Makati City, Pasig City, Muntinlupa, Negros Occidental, Cebu, and they have one commercial development in Pasig City and industrial lots in Laguna Technopark. AREIT offers an opportunity to earn regular dividends from regular rentals of properties with historically high occupancy rates. AREIT also offers attractive total returns from dividend growth and potential stock price appreciation over time. So now i-check naman natin ang AREIT's past performance. In terms of revenue, AREIT's revenue has been consistently growing. From its initial public offering in 2020, yung revenue ng AREIT has grown annually by more than 50% from 2021 to 2022. This was driven by the significant expansion of its assets. Kung mag-invest tayo sa company, we want to choose a company that can demonstrate consistent growth sa revenue to increase our chances of success. As a result, EBITDA has been growing since 2020. EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. EBITDA is a measure of company's operating performance and its ability to generate cash from its operations. Since REITs are required to distribute 90% of their earnings as dividends, it's important to understand the cash flow generation of the company bago tayo mag-invest dito. Other key metrics na kailangan din nating tignan ay gross margin and free cash flow. Gross margin helps assess how efficient the company is in generating income from its rental properties after accounting for property operating expenses. Ang free cash flow naman reflects the amount of cash available for distribution to shareholders as dividends and for future projects. AREIT's gross margin is high, above our 70% na target. And free cash flow is also high and has been increasing since 2020. This is the latest financial results of AREIT for the first 9 months of 2023. AREIT posted total revenues of 5 billion pesos for the first 9 months of 2023, plus 41% siya versus year ago. And then EBITDA naman is 3.54 billion pesos, so plus 39% versus previous year. The growth in revenue is driven by stable operations and the contribution of the new assets na inacquire nila this year and last quarter of 2022. So nagkaroon sila ng property for share transactions with Ayala Land for the following properties. One Ayala Avenue East and West, and then Glorieta 1 and 2 Mall Wing and BPO buildings at Ayala Center, and the Marquee Mall in Angeles, Pampanga. Yung new assets na na-acquire nila contributed to AREIT's performance and boosted its GLA to 861,000 square meters. The company's assets under management reached approximately 87 billion pesos, so currently the largest among Philippine REITs. Occupancy rate is 97%. Mababa din ang utang ng AREIT. Net gearing is 0.04:1 or 4%. Ito naman ang quarterly financial highlights for 2023. Yung third quarter 2023 performance significantly grew from the previous quarters due to the contribution of the newly acquired assets. So AREIT started giving dividend noong September 2020, a month after siya nag-IPO. And then based dito sa dividend history ng AREIT, ang dividend payment schedule ay March, June, September, and either November or December. Take note of the ex-dividend date. Kasi kailangan makabili ka ng share before the ex-dividend date para ka ma-qualify for the next dividend payout. Maganda dito sa AREIT kasi growing ang dividend per share and dividend yield since 2020. Nag-start sila noong September 2020 sa dividend yield na 4.76%. And then yung previous na dividend yield noong September 2023 ay nasa 6.42% na. And then for the upcoming dividend payment ng December 15, so nasa 7.53% na ang dividend yield. So record dividend ito ng AREIT. So now, AREIT's dividend is in the top 25% of dividend payers in the Philippine market. Ang cash payout ratio to shareholders is 91%. So at its current cash payout ratio of 91%, AREIT's dividend payments are covered by cash flows. I-check naman natin ang price history and performance ng AREIT. Ang IPO price ng AREIT is 27 noong August 2020. Ang maximum price na na-achieve ng AREIT ay 52.35 pesos noong 2022. And as of November 24 ay nasa 29.2. 52-week low is 28.9. Malapit-lapit na siya sa 52-week low. Sa valuation ng AREIT, pwede natin gamitin ang asset play valuation method. Ito yung pinaka-conservative na valuation method. Ang criteria natin for asset play is buy if stock price is below the book value. AREIT's current stock price is below its book value. Ang price to book ratio niya ngayon is 0.8. So based on this, we can say na undervalued ang AREIT. The best time to buy is habang undervalued para mas malaki ang upside potential mo. AREIT is forecasted to grow its revenue by 8.4% and its earnings by 18.1% per annum. Sa forecast, analysts provide valuable insights based sa kanilang expertise and available information. Pero syempre, may limitations din ang forecasting kasi maraming factors na pwedeng maka-affect sa performance ng company. So, unexpected events can impact yung performance of a company. As a commercial REIT, AREIT is focused on expanding its office, shopping center, and hotel properties and exploring other types of real estate properties available in the market. Sa ngayon, AREIT is acquiring 6.77 billion pesos worth of industrial assets from another member of the Ayala Group, ASEN Corporation. This is in addition doon sa kanilang industrial lot na nasa Laguna Technopark. After the acquisition, AREIT will own 286 hectares of industrial land. This includes yung land na nasa Laguna Technopark. So this will increase yung AREIT's assets under management from 87 billion pesos to 94 billion pesos. Overall, AREIT has done exceptionally well since its IPO noong 2020. AREIT has strong financials, growing ang dividends, mababa ang utang, And then yung kanilang ongoing projects then prove they have long-term commitment to growth. So AREIT is a great choice for investing in real estate. Here's an update naman sa aking REITs portfolio that I started building in August this year. And I am planning to add more shares habang undervalued ang AREIT. Sana makatulong ang video ito sa iyong investing journey. Pa-like and share na rin para makatulong din sa iba.